Hi there, welcome back to TutorialsPoint. Today we are going to learn about the fifth type of synovial joint, that is the gliding joint. In the earlier video we have already learned about the hinge, pivot, ellipsoid and the saddle joint. In today's video we are going to learn about the gliding joint. But like always, let's first of all understand why this gliding joint is called as the gliding joint, and to understand this thing we have to understand the term gliding. If you remember the paragliding, it's a sport in which a person jumps from a height and then glide in the air. And this gliding is very smooth and continuous. Now let's come to our bones. A flat bone in which movement is smooth and continuous. This type of movement is called as the gliding movement, and the bones which contain this gliding movement contains the gliding joints. Let's understand more. Gliding joint is mainly present in our flat bones, like these two bones, the two flat bones which are moving from side to side, to and from, but they cannot rotate or turn over. That is why it's the simplest joint of our synovial joint, and it's a very smooth and continuous movement. Can you see it? Hence, this joint is called as the gliding joint. Now let's see more. It is present between two flat bones. The movement is side to side and back and forth. They cannot show the rotation, and twisting is not possible as they are mainly present in the compact packed bones like our metacarpal. We know we have different types of bones in our metacarpal and they are closely packed, hence they does not show a larger movement. They simply show a simple movement. That is why they have the simplest joint, that is the gliding joint. Now we know that we have the simplest joint, that is the gliding joint in our metacarpal. The second example of this simplest joint or the gliding joint is the cuniferous form in the foot. Your ankle contains this joint. That is why it shows, suppose if it's your ankle, it shows a little movement, not larger movement is visible in your ankle, because at that place which joint is present? Gliding joint is present. In this video we have learned why gliding joint is called as the gliding joint, why it is so important and special, and why it is the simplest one. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you.
TutorialsPoint.com. Simply easy learning.